Stay behind the 17 car on the inside line. Get ready now. Going green. Pit car's in. Oh man, they're showing us a black flag. You passed the pace car. They're gonna hold us in the pits for 15 seconds. Green flag, green flag. Green, green, green. Oh man, they're showing us a black flag. Looks like they caught us speeding on pit road. They're gonna hold us in the pits for 15 seconds. Oh man, they're showing us a black flag. You didn't exit the pit safely. They're gonna hold you a while. Watch that speed now. Keep it on 3,500 in seconds. Don't merge yet. Okay, merge when you can. We got trouble in turn 4. You all right?
They call me Shocky.
Why did they call you that?
There's something special in the air.
If blue skies and sunny days are what you're after, this winter American Airlines has the place for you. And along with our great sunny destinations, we have some very affordable flyaway vacation packages to get you there.
Silver bird.
Oye, ¿qué te pasa? ¿Estás bien? Nick, ¿qué sucede? Uy, qué asco. ¿Es Jack Daniels?
No, es su amigo Jim. Tomaste de mi reserva. Gracias. Un vaquero llega y se sienta aquí.
¿Con permiso?
¿Quieres uno?
Claro.
Disculpen.
Un vaquero. Los tampones. Usa tampones para los oídos de sus hijos.
¿Quién?
Ella ahí.
Oigan, pónganse esto. Pónganselo. ¿Cómo sabías que lo haría?
Son muchos tampones.